Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give you the book back answer in science for 6th standard, and that is, those who have the book can take page number 64. Okay. So first we'll go to the choose the correct answer. So first one, identify the freshwater ecosystem. So first we're going to go to the choose. So first one, identify the freshwater ecosystem. Answer is D, all of them. D, all of them. Okay. Now second, producers are dash. Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give you the book back answer in science for 6th standard, and those who have the book can take page number 64. First, we are going to see choose the correct answer. Okay. First, choose. So what is the first question, children? Identify the freshwater ecosystem. So for that, answer is D, all of them. D, all of them. Okay. Then second, producers are dash. So the answer is C, plants. C, plants. Okay. Then third, it is a biodegradable waste. Answer is B, coconut shell. B, coconut shell. Then fourth, it is an undesirable change that occurs in air and water. So, C, pollution. Then fifth, usage of chemical pesticides and fertilizers causes dash pollution. Answer is B, water pollution. Okay, children, have you marked? Yes, choose the correct answer is over. Next, we are going to go to the Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Okay. So, take down in your book, children. As well as that, you have to write in your classwork also. Okay. First, primary consumers that eat plants are called herbivores. What is the answer? Herbivores. Herbivores. Second, temperature, light and wind are dash factors. Abiotic factors. Third, dash is a process of converting waste materials into new materials. Answer is recycling. Recycling. Fourth, water pollution can spread dash diseases in man. So water pollution. So where is water pollution, children? What can reduce like travel by so avoid works? What are the diseases, children, we can see in that? Reduce water pollution. That is, answer is can spread diseases in man. Diseases in man. Then fifth, the 3 R's are reduce, dash and recycle. Answer is reuse. Okay. So herbivores, first one. Second, abiotic. Third, recycling. Fourth, diseases. And fifth, reuse. Then third, true or false. If false, give the correct statements. If it is false, means you have to give the correct statement. Okay. So this time in the annual exam, this will be asked for you, children. If, before this, in the previous exam and all, I gave only true or false. So this time I'll give you this. You have to write, if false means you have to give the statements. Okay. So first one, the Pacific Ocean is an example of an marine ecosystem. Answer is true. Next, bacteria and fungi are called decomposers. True. Human and animal waste are examples of non-biodegradable waste. False. So instead of that, what you will write? Human and animal waste. Human and animal waste. Animal waste are examples of so in the question non-biodegradable they have given, so that is the wrong statement. So instead of that, what you will write? Biodegradable. This is the correct statement. Biodegradable waste. So in the question you have to underline non-biodegradable, which is wrong statement. Correct is biodegradable. So in the question you have to underline non-biodegradable and in the answer biodegradable. Okay. Then fourth one, excessive use of pesticide leads to air pollution. False. So instead of that, what you will write? Excessive use of pesticides. Excessive use of pesticides. Excessive use of pesticides leads to water pollution. So instead of air, what you will write? Water. So air you have to underline in the question, and in the answer what you will underline? Water. So water is the correct statement. Okay. Next, in schools, waste management rules say that we should separate waste in two categories. Yes, it is true. Okay, children. Have you all finished this? Choose, fill up and true or false. Yes, we can go to the next Roman number. Have you all finished? Mark in your book. Okay. So, next is Roman number 4. Match the following. Okay. So, I'll write the numbers on the board. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. This is the number. So, now I'll tell you the straight answers. Okay. So, first you put the number. First, biotic factor. Correct answer is what? Animals. Biotic factor. Next to animals, put number 1. Then sewage. Number 2. Water pollution. So next to water pollution, put number 2. Fertilizers. Land pollution. Number 3. 4. Desert. Terrestrial ecosystem. So next to terrestrial ecosystem, put number 4. Then smoke. Smoke is air pollution. Okay, so air pollution, next to air pollution you will write number 5. Then arrange, no need. Roman number 5, strike it out, no need. So in the Roman number 5 you put a cross, no need. Okay. Then Roman number 6, give very short answer. So Roman number 5, no need children, just put a cross, no need. Then Roman number 6, give very short answer. In that first one, define ecosystem. Take page number 47. So take page number 47 children. In that, see in this page, second para, that is side heading the ecosystem is given. Right? In that, see the first line. The ecosystem, the open the bracket and put number 1, okay? Ecosystem. Ecosystem, open the bracket. Ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Close the bracket, together. Close the bracket, that is your first answer, okay? So what is the answer? Ecosystem. Open the bracket, number 1. Ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Close the bracket, that is your first answer. That is in page number 47. Then second question. What are the 2 types of ecosystem? So now this you can take down in your classwork, okay? And write on the board, okay children? The 2 types of The two types of ecosystems are natural and artificial ecosystems. Okay, children, take down this in your classwork. All the question answers you should complete it, children. Okay. So first one is page number 47, and then the second one is I have written on the board. Take down in your classwork. The answer is the two types of ecosystems are natural and artificial ecosystem. Third, write any two things that can be recycled. It is in page number 57. What is the page number? 57. So those who have the book, take page number 57, children. Yes. See on the right side. You know how I used to say you write left side, right side, okay? Now on the right side, what is there? First para, recycle is there, right? In that para, see the third line, using. Third line, using. Are you getting it, children? Using, open the bracket. Right hand side, first para, what is the side heading is there? Recycle. That paragraph, okay? In that paragraph, third line, using, open the bracket. Using old clothes to make paper and melting some plastics to make floor mats, plastic boats and hose pipes. Then close the bracket. This is your third answer. What is the answer, children? Using old clothes to make paper and melting some plastics to make floor mats, plastic boats and hose pipes. Close the bracket. This is your third answer. Then fourth, what are the types of pollution? So what is that? Page number 60 you can take now. Question 4. Okay, in that, see here, on the left side, down you can see types of pollution. Can you see this, children? It's in a green color written there. Types of pollution. So in that, what is the first line there? There, open the bracket. Okay, what's the question is that? Fourth. So put number 4 and open the bracket. So there are 4 major kinds of pollution. 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, land pollution. And number 4, noise pollution. Close the bracket. So all this you have to write. This is your fourth answer. So where will you open the bracket? There. And close the bracket. Noise pollution. So on the picture you can see that. Did you get, children? Types of pollution. So no need to write the side heading. There, open the bracket. Noise pollution. Close the bracket. That is enough. Okay. Then fifth one. No need. Fifth one, put cross. Okay. Number 5. No need. Okay. Put cross. Then number 6. What are pollutants? I'll write on the board. Okay. So, burning fossil fuel, in the bracket, petrol, coal, oil, etc. Okay. Then, toxic gases, can put like this and write. Okay. Toxic gases. So in the toxic gases, what is that? Carbon monoxide. And dust particles. In the bracket, what you will write? Ash and soot. Okay. That's all. Then so next question is 7th question. What are the pollutants caused by the objects given below? First, A, they have given loudspeaker, and B, plastic. So how will you write? A loud speaker. You have to write like this and put a small hyphen and write noise pollution. Okay, how will you write? Loudspeaker, you have to write, put a small hyphen or a small dash there and write noise pollution. Next, what they have asked? Plastic. Okay, so again put a small hyphen and write land pollution. Did you get, children, all these 7 questions? Have you all marked and have written in your classwork? Okay, so first one is page number 47. Second one answer is the 2 types of ecosystems are natural and artificial ecosystems. Then third one is page number 57. Fourth, page number 60. Fifth one, no need that question and put a cross there. Sixth, I have given the answer. Burning fossil fuel. In the brackets, you write petrol, coal, oil, etc. And then toxic gases. In the bracket, what you will write? Carbon monoxide. Number 3, dust particles. In the bracket, ash and soot. Then fifth one, A loudspeaker. What you have to write? Noise pollution. And then B, plastic, you will write land pollution. Okay. Now we'll go to the give short answer. Roman number 7. Give short answer. So in that first one, what is biodegradable waste? You can take page number 54. So in page number 54, page number 54, see on the right side, you can see this picture down, children. Theriyudha in the picture, adukku mela parunga. Biodegradable waste side heading is there. What is the first line? The term. The, open the bracket. The term biodegradable is used for those things that can be easily decomposed by natural agents like water, oxygen, ultraviolet rays of the sun and microorganism, etc. Close the bracket.